All right, everybody's tired of using Canva for everything, so we invented the Headmosh Zine Lab. It's at headmosh.com, and here's a quick demo on how to use it. I'm thinking that you could use this if you're an art teacher or a classroom teacher, or you're at home with your kids and you want to teach them what a zine is or a mini comic. You can copy and paste, but you can also open up whatever you've downloaded, drag and drop, and make the pages. The pages are in the order. They have a little number at the top so that when you eventually do print this out, it is in the right order. So the top left corner is 1, but right next to it is page 8. So you can kind of chop things up in a program that you're comfortable with if you wanted to make, half pages that fit together. But the whole idea of zines is like kind of as you go and just trying to figure it out. There's also a shuffle button. There's also a way to save your work as a JSON file. But I really enjoyed making it. I think other people would enjoy it. I think your students would enjoy it. I think art students would really like it. And it kind of just gets you going in the direction of how to make a zine and just getting into that format and enjoying it. Right now, I'm just kind of scaling things together and making it look as get rid of that white space, just kind of getting it the way I want. And then I'm going to export, and then it flips that top row so that when you cut it up and put it together, it looks right. So when you print, you just want to make sure that you shrink it to the right paper size. All right, this is how to assemble your zine once you have it printed out. I trimmed the edges here just because there's a little bit of white space. So the edge on the bottom, and then you fold it the long ways, and then you also fold it individually that tall direction and make creases. I've already done that. And then this is where you're gonna have it folded like this and make a little cut right there between these two pages, which makes it be able to fold into a book. And that's all you have to do. So we've made quite a few, and I just wanted to show you a couple. This is an early version. This is a completely handmade one, just drawing. I want to send in the Headmosh kit. This is one with just some different illustrations on top. And this one's about Larry the cat. But yeah, you can make them pretty quickly.